Hey you guys, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I'm here at Highlands Ranch Mansion in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. I just finished a walkthrough, not an official walkthrough, but I just came here with my couple to see the space, to get a better idea of the flow, how we're gonna start working on their decor plans and floor plans and all that. But obviously it's not gonna be snowing when they're here, and June 27th is their wedding date. But yeah, at least we're here. Got a really great idea of the space, how everything's gonna be set up. It's gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited to show you this, so stay tuned. This is the front lawn where the ceremony is going to be taking place. And all of the guests are going to be facing this way. So they are going to have the view of the mansion, which is gonna be so, so gorgeous. But it's 170 guests, which this is plenty of space for. And then we were just discussing how the bride was gonna get out here without everyone seeing him. She's probably gonna have to go out the back and then walk all the way around, possibly even back through this gate here. So then she would walk through the middle aisle and down. It's so pretty out here, you guys. Wow. So here we are in the Ingrams Quarters of Highlands Ranch Mansion. I'm loving this large mirror that's here for the groom. They can get a fun picture with that. It's gonna be perfect for the guys. The bridal suite is, it's all really old school historic up here. I think there's like 1 or 2 bathrooms that work, but I will show you what I'm talking about here in a second. Look at this place. So cool. So this is the first part of the bridal suite. One really big mirror. And this is the working toilet. As you can see, it's all original for sure, which would be perfect for like a vintage wedding. Like a Victorian style. Like, look at this bathroom. So this is the one that I was saying that is preserved. You're not gonna be able to use anything in here really. But it's so cool. No access, like even these doors, all original. So, so cool. And then this is the main part of the bridal suite, which, holy moly, look at that. Oh my God. Horses. So apparently this is a ceremony spot too here at the gazebo. And then the guests would be facing that way. So my couple is actually considering that too, and might do it if it's like a super hot sunny day, because then the building might give some shade for the guest. But as of right now, they're planning it in the front yard. Oh, so cool. Here's a better view of the patio. And then the doors over there lead right into the reception space, which is going to be around the corner here. Into the Great Hall, which, how gorgeous are these beams? Planning the DJ over here in between the two TVs, and then the dance floor right in front of them, a big head table, and then 5-foot rounds surrounding that are going to be scattered. And then this is the cocktail area space. So the couple is going to be walking in through these middle doors here for their grand entrance. Really, really cool space. They say that they fit 250 guests in here. Look at this brick, oh my goodness. So we're planning on the buffet table being somewhere in here, possibly long ways that way, since that is a door for catering. But then catering also has a huge area that is back in this, which I will show you right now. It's the biggest space that I've ever seen for cater setup, so that's awesome for them. Huge kitchen. And then I'm not really sure what the space is used for in the back, but maybe for a smoking area or something like that. Maximum occupancy, 329. Looks like it's got a, if you guys can see, a little driveway through there. So this is probably where catering pulls up, I'm imagining. Really cool space. I'm not sure if this kitchen's actually used for catering. I think it might just be for the historic value of it. But everything is original in this place. It is so cool. Look at this door. And all of these rooms are gonna be available for the couple during their rental. I believe everything is going to be closed off to the public, and they are gonna have access to all of this. So they said that they can have like children up here if they want, if they need to like come up and sleep, or if you are gonna have like a babysitter or something, this is a good area to keep them. Oh, that is something I wanna show you guys, the chairs. Look at the pink, oh my God. Okay, here is the situation with the chairs. These come with the venue, up to 200 or 250, I can't remember. And then these are the extra, which my couple said they were like ridiculous amount, but obviously look at the difference in them. But they also said that it was gonna be like a couple $1,000 charge, so we'll see. All right, I'm walking out the front here. It's not the main front door. I came in this little side door. Not sure if it's because of the weather or what, but I believe that's the main one. They just asked me to go in the other one. But this is the front. Circle drive here. I just wanted to hop on here and say that the staff, they were volunteers, or at least the ones that we talked to, and they were so super nice and helpful and there for whatever questions that we had, but yet they also let us just walk around by ourselves and have our space too, which I really like, because I can just talk with the couple about things that they like and don't like, you know, without being worried that we're gonna hurt somebody's feelings or something. So it wasn't our official walkthrough. That will be about 30 days out, so that will happen in early June, we're planning on, which I'm super excited to actually work this event there. So let me know if you guys have any questions about the space. Like I said, I have just walked through it once now. We got some questions answered. I did get the floor plan, the actual floor plan for the Great Hall, which is not online anywhere. So if anybody needs that, just let me know and I can send you a picture of it. It should be really easy for people to find. It's right here in town. Uber is available, which is huge, because a lot of the weddings that I work, there is no Uber, so people are basically having to hire shuttles or just drive, which is not good either. But yeah, I really enjoyed the walkthrough. I knew it was going to be gorgeous just from the pictures and videos that I've already seen online. It's just a gorgeous spot, but really seeing it in person was just, I can't even think of the word, but it was like jaw-dropping, like once you walk in it. And then once we have all of the decor and all the candles and just everything lit, like it's going to be so, so pretty. So I'm going to start working on that, the decor plans, the floor plans, now that we have the actual dimensions of the space. So I'm super excited to get some more things together for this couple. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tagging along. I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit subscribe for more videos like this.